Welcome to MyLingua Podcast. You're listening to modern English language from hello to goodbye. I'm your host, Alex, and today we are breaking down the art of the 100 essential phrases you need to navigate any conversation. I'm joined in the studio by Sofia. Ready to dive in?
Hi, Alex. Honestly, I always freeze after saying hello. It's like my brain just shuts down.
You're not alone. Let's start with the meeting. Forget how do you do, it's too stiff. In a modern setting, we use how's it going or good to meet you.
I usually say nice to meet you. Is that okay?
Perfect, but let's add flavor. Imagine you're at a seminar. You see someone standing by the coffee. Instead of silence, try, have you been to one of these before? Or, I'm Sofia, by the way.
So, a soft open. I once tried to meet a famous professor. I just stood there until he asked if I was in line for the bathroom.
Precisely. Use phrases like, mind if I join you? Or, how are you enjoying the event? If it's super casual, hey, I don't think we've met. I'm Alex. These are your entry tickets to a conversation. Okay, I've said hello, we've traded names. Now what? The awkward silence is my biggest fear. That's where the engine phrases come in. To keep the chat going, you need to be a detective. Use, what brings you here today? Or, how do you know the host? I have a story about this. I was at a gallery and I asked a guy, what do you think of this piece? He talked for 10 minutes. I didn't have to say much at all. That's the secret. People love talking about themselves. Use reactions. That's incredible. No way. Or, I can imagine. These show you're listening without interrupting the flow. What if they ask me something and I want to keep it going? Use the answer plus add method. They ask you, do you live nearby? You reply with, yes, just a 10-minute walk. Do you know any good spots for brunch around here? Phrases like, actually, I was wondering, or that reminds me of, are bridges to new topics. Now let's turn up the volume. You're at a party, it's loud, people are moving. Here, phrases get shorter and punchier.
Groups are intimidating. Everyone seems to have an inside joke.
To jump in, use the pivot. I couldn't help but overhear you talking about, or are you guys talking about the new movie? Last New Year's, I spent the whole night just nodding because I didn't know how to break in. Next time, try, mind if I jump in? Or a simple, that's a great point. If you're the one introducing people, use, have you two met? Or, Sofia, meet Mark. Mark is the guy I told you about. And what about the loud room phrases? Can you say that again? Or, it's a bit loud in here, isn't it? These are functional. At a party, it's about energy. Use, this is a great vibe, or I love this song. It keeps the mood high.
We've covered a lot, but how do I leave? I usually just vanish, the Irish exit.
While effective, it's better to use the transition. To switch from chatty to goodbye, give a reason. It was great chatting, but I need to grab another drink. Or, I should probably go find my friend.
So, a warning before I go?
Exactly. Finish with, I'll let you get back to it, or let's catch up soon. And the classic, enjoy the rest of your night. It's all about the mode switch. Formal for the meeting, curious for the middle, and energetic for the group. Well, we've reached the end of our journey today, all the way from that first hello to the final goodbye. Sofia, how are you feeling? You've got 100 new tools in your conversational toolkit now. Honestly, Alex, the world of English conversation feels a lot less intimidating. I've realized that a good chat is just a series of simple steps, and now I have the map. Exactly. It's all about building bridges, not barriers. Friends, thank you so much for spending your time with us here on the MyLingua Podcast. Remember, consistency beats perfection every single time. Don't be afraid to put these phrases into practice today, even if it's just one or two. And if I can do it, you definitely can too. Now that you know the theory, it's time to train your ears and tongue. Join us in the next episode for the Big 100 drill, where we go through every single phrase. To make sure you don't miss our future episodes, fresh recommendations, and expert tips to level up your English, be sure to subscribe to MyLingua. Hit that notification bell, leave us a review, and share your own conversation success stories with us in the comments. We love hearing from you. This has been Alex and Sofia. Good luck with your conversations, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode. Until next time.